Friday in January the 6th, and it is about 10 o'clock in the morning. Oh, excuse me. I've been up for about 2 hours or so. I'm just now starting to move around and get things situated. BJ has been up for about 45 minutes. So yeah, so I'm about to start getting my breakfast situated and everything else. I'm still battling like this cold thing. I don't know what's going on with me, but I've been battling that. So right now I just warmed up some water in my cup, and I'm going to put 2 tea bags in it. I do this sometimes. You don't have to do this if you want to drink it separately. I'm not a really big tea person, so if I want to drink tea that benefits me, I try to drink it all at once. So like if I want to do two, or if I want to utilize 2 different teas or whatever, then I would do it all in the same cup. So the teas I'm putting in my cup today are lemon ginger, and then this roasted dandelion root. Try not to rip the top part. So I'm gonna go get a spoon. I use a spoon to hold my tea bags down in the hot water so that they seep well. I'm just gonna put, this over here on my stove. I finished doing all the other things I need to do. I did not talk to you guys yesterday, and I just wasn't feeling it. You ever have like one of those moments where you're just like, I'm not in a good space right now, so I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to do anything. That was my life yesterday. Like literally having to prepare for this storm and all this other crazy stuff. I was just kind of over everything yesterday. So I'm back. I'm feeling better. I woke up in better spirits. I'm gonna take you guys with me because I need to go get other stuff. So I woke up this morning, I looked at some YouTube, well, not YouTube videos. I re-uploaded one of my videos that was not uploading yesterday. YouTube acts very, I need to check it. YouTube acts very blah with me sometimes when it comes to videos. Hey. And I've tried to upload the same video like 5 times. No lie. Kid you not. Alright. I don't know how well that's going to be. We already opened it up because I don't see a notification in my thing about it uploading. Hey y'all, it's Jay, and welcome to Simply Gorgeous, Simply Me, Simply Gorgeous. And today is Friday. Hold that thought. Okay, so let me ask you guys, have you guys ever had this happen to you? It's done this to me a couple of times before, where YouTube will say that it's uploaded a video, but then it's still processing. It's like stuck in processing land forever. Freaking sucks. Okay, well, I'm gonna come back to that. Grab this. Alright, so I'm gonna come back to it because it's gonna irk me. So for breakfast, I'm just gonna have some of this Boathouse Farm Green Goodness smoothie. I'm not really hungry right now, so I'm not gonna eat. I'm just gonna have that. I'm gonna drink that, and I'm going to incorporate into that. Let's see, hold on. I'm gonna try this out. This green superfood detox and digest. So I need another spoon. I'm gonna stir this into and I bought these little packet things at Whole Foods to try out before I spend all my money on the bigger ones. So, you know, just FYI. In case you don't like it. So let me turn you guys around. So this is what it looks like. If I turn this light on. Yeah, there we go. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna yesterday I was not good. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. I was not good on my water intake, but actually I barely drank anything water form at all. So this morning, this morning, like I was saying, yesterday I was bad on my water intake, so I'm drinking this to kind of jumpstart myself into drinking some liquids or some water. I need another cup. Okay, so I got me some more kombucha for the store yesterday. And I'm not gonna drink this whole thing, or I'm not even gonna drink 8 ounces of it today. I'm just gonna drink a little bit with my ACV. Put the ACV in here first. Oh, that's not good enough. So this is about how much ACV I'm drinking. I've been drinking this for so long that it doesn't really have that bad of a taste to me anymore, which is weird. Alright. Going to have about this much. Yes, I can drink ACV with just water. My son is acting so. What? What? What do you want? What do you want? Hold on. So, I'm gonna drink this. So I have that. Now I'm going to take my vitamins. Today I am doing a probiotic. my prenatal vitamin. And 1 hair, skin, and nails vitamin. Alright, I'm just gonna drink this. I also don't normally drink cold water, so so I took my vitamins. And now for this. I didn't get it mixed in as good as I would have liked it to be. So here goes nothing. I don't really taste it in the smoothie, so there's that. That's good. But it's clumpy, meaning that I can definitely feel that there are pieces of it that did not mix in or whatever. Like they're like powder balls. Is that a way to describe it? Powder balls? Anyway, I'm gonna drink the rest of this and make her breakfast, and then I'll come back a little bit later. Okay, so it is 1:40 and I'm just now eating my first meal of the day, real meal. So what I'm gonna have is a peanut butter sandwich. I put some cinnamon on it. I'm not gonna put any jelly. Sometimes I put a banana. Today I'm not. I'm gonna eat the rest of the apples that cut because BJ probably won't eat that much of the apples. And then I'm gonna have this Greek yogurt. So that's what I'm gonna eat. This was my water from earlier and it's gone. And I started this container, so I'm a little less than halfway through, but I'm gonna drink the rest of that with my lunch. And yeah, try to get some work done as far as YouTube stuff goes. This right here. So I got up, put some clothes on, and I was gonna go before this snowstorm comes through Atlanta, but it's raining outside already, so I think I'm just gonna order a pizza and have it delivered to the house for dinner, because I don't feel like making dinner because of this. So yeah, I'm trying to order it early before they're trying to get everybody off the roads and stuff. But I put on mascara, and the mascara I'm using is this Maybelline Colossal Big Shot mascara that I got from Influencer to try out. I like it. And then on my lips I have this Unique Splash liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Sensual, and it looks like this. Actually, I have a hard time with lipsticks, and I got this as a Christmas gift from one of my parents. I have a hard time with lipsticks just in general because I never could find a shade that suits me. But I really like this. So yeah, pictures and all that stuff will be on Instagram, and I'm gonna go eat, get some food in my body, and I'll come back later. if y'all can see it, but that's my car. See the ice?